Hello and welcome to the Systematic Review Data Repository. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to use the SRDR Simple Data Export tool to export your project's entire dataset into Microsoft Excel files. To do so, first, from the SRDR homepage, log into your profile using your SRDR username and password. Once you're logged in, check that you are in the My SRDR tab and click on the Edit link under the project that you would like to export study data from. You will be directed to the Project Editor page of the project you selected. On the navigation menu, click the Data Export Tool button located under Project Tools. On the Export Data Tools page, you will see three boxes, each containing a different link. In the box labeled Simple Data Export, one click, click the Export Data Tool link. Next, you will be directed to the Project Export Tools page, where you will see a table of the extraction forms in your project for which export files have been rendered, as well as the time and date of their rendering. Click the Excel icon directly to the right of the title of the file that you would like to download. Save the export file to your computer. To access your project study data saved on the export file, first locate the saved export file on your computer. Then open the export file using Microsoft Excel. Once in Microsoft Excel, you will see that the export file is composed of multiple sheets, each corresponding to a tab included on the extraction form the export file was rendered from. On each sheet, such as this sheet for the Design Details tab, column headers correspond to question fields included in your extraction form. And abstracted data from each study is recorded in separate rows. In this video, we showed you how to use the SRDR Data Export tool. For links to other SRDR video tutorials, including those listed here, please visit the SRDR Help and Training page. Thank you for using SRDR.